I love the idea of making fresh, homemade juices at home, but when I was a kid, my mom used to make juices with an old juicer, and I remember it being such a mess to clean up and it took a lot of time and energy, and to me, it just didn't really even seem worth juicing vegetables at that point. So when Vandicel decided to send me their 3-in-1 juicer for my honest review, I was super excited to see how easy is this to actually clean. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my honest review of what it was like cleaning the Vandicel 3-in-1 juicer. Hi everyone, I'm Veronica, a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I love sharing my honest review and tutorials of small kitchen appliances that I use to meal prep for my family at home. Check out my YouTube channel for even more cooking videos and my Amazon storefront for products that I highly recommend. So for this cleanup, I did some green juice in the Vandicel juicer, and what I noticed right away was actually that the material that this juicer is made of is really high quality and sturdy. And that makes a big difference because you do have to hand wash this. You unfortunately cannot put it in the dishwasher, which is kind of a downside because I do like to put everything in the dishwasher. But I did notice that actually with the green juice, it was really easy to just rinse all the food out of it. And as you can see right now, I'm doing this all one-handed because I'm holding the camera in my other hand. So look how quickly and easily I was able to rinse out the juicer with just one hand. And it does come with a little scrubber brush, which I thought I was going to have to use right here to get that clogged up pulp out, but I was able to stick my finger in there and pull it out. But it would probably be easier to use the scrubber brush or even something like a chopstick to just push it finally through the chute. Now this comes with a fine mesh strainer like you're seeing right here. I used this really easily under the faucet, but you can also use like a sprayer hose in your kitchen sink if you have that to really get out any excess gunk. But like I said, this green juice was actually pretty easy to clean out. But overall, my review is that this juicer was actually very easy to clean. So be sure to check out my playlist of even more videos where I share how this juicer works with a variety of recipes.